Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MITO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case you may be new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. Does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Kind of a tricky chart because, today the price did close above higher than where it was on Wednesday, but it also had a very nasty pullback. I mean, I think at one point, the price was up around there. Then all of a sudden it pulled all the way back there. But it's not like it crashed, but it was a pretty big pullback. So is this bullish? Is this bearish going forward? Totally valid questions, and that's why, in my mind, the level that can really help kind of cut through all the potential confusion is this level down here at $6.80. Why is $6.80 important? Well, let's look at a couple different scenarios. First scenario being, let's say the price comes down to $6.80 and then just continues on down. What would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that'd be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements with true power are not going to go back to where they were. And they're going to make at least some sort of form of progress forward, which leads into the next potential is the price comes down here, however, in this situation, behaves like that, and then begins to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. You'd have that low down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as 670. So 670 is basically acting like a dictionary, meaning is the price, quote unquote, going back to where it was? That associated with bearishness, or is the price, quote unquote, making progress? That associated with bullishness. So keep a very close eye on 670. A lot of people are going to be watching that level going forward, and let's see if the price is ultimately going to chip away a higher base or just go right back to where it was. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.